They say everyone in the world is 6 connections apart. But someone from CGI? We're just 2 steps away, supporting the energy and utilities services you rely on every day. Remember Emma, who you see at the coffee shop every day? Emma supports the secure cloud-based service that makes it simple for families to pay their energy and water bills. When a storm hits, it's your neighbor Hadrian who built the digital platform that helps field crews restore power quickly and safely. Thanks to Priya, smart meter data is accessible and reliable, so businesses can better serve their communities. And Luis, who volunteers as your community soccer coach? Luis manages the payment and loyalty platform that makes fueling or charging your vehicle faster and rewarding. We're part of your world. Behind the scenes, we work with government and commercial clients to help them keep our societies running. Resilient in crises, flexible in change, essential every day. You might not see us, but we're always just 2 steps away.